Students, today's class is about the basics of accounting. Okay, as a commerce student, you must know the basic terms of accounting. First of all, we are going to discuss about the definition of accounting, then objectives of accounting and the three branches of accounting. So, first of all, definition of accounting. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AICPA, was given the definition of accounting, the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. And this definition was, accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing. See, accounting is the art of recording. Recording here means recording various business transactions. Okay. Then classifying. After recording various business transactions, then according to the characteristics of a transaction, we should classify that transactions by preparing various ledger accounts. Okay. Then and summarizing in a significant manner. How we can summarize? Okay, by preparing various kinds of financial statements, we can summarize the transactions through trial balance. Other statements, we can summarize the transactions in a significant manner and in terms of money transactions. See, all transactions having monetary value. Money transactions are recorded in accounting. Then, and events which are in part at least of financial character. Events means the transactions, activities that are occurring in business operation. Okay, that events are having financial character. Events having financial character, not other characteristics. They have financial character and interpreting the result thereof. Finally, accounting. The main process of accounting is to provide various information to the users through various financial statement. For example, trading account gives us gross profit. Profit and loss account gives us net profit, and the balance sheet that clearly tells about our financial position. Okay. So, interpreting the result thereof. This is the accounting definition. AICPA was given the definition of accounting. According to them, accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character, and finally interpreting the result thereof. Okay. Next, objectives of accounting. Okay, what are the purpose of accounting? See, there are 7 points. First one, to record the business transaction. We already discussed this point, that is to record business transaction. In accounting, we are going to record various kinds of business transaction. For example, purchase of goods, sale of goods, etc. Then second one, to ascertain the trading result, that is profit or loss. The main objective of accounting is to ascertain the trading result, profit or loss. What are it? Profit or loss. Ascertaining the profit or loss. That is called a trading result. Clear? Then third one, to ascertain the financial position. How we can ascertain financial position through accounting? By the preparation of a balance sheet, we can ascertain the financial position. Then fourth one, to reduce the cost of production. To reduce the cost of production by using various methods of accounting, we can control the expenditures, we can reduce the cost of production, and thereby we can maximize our profit. Okay. Then fifth one, to help in fixing the prices. Other branches of accounting. Okay. Other branches of accounting, for example, cost accounting or management accounting, they helps in fixing the prices of a product. Then sixth one, to prepare financial statements. For example, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow statement, fund flow statement. So, there are certain statement which clearly tells about our financial position. So, preparation of financial statement is another objective of accounting. Then seventh one, to provide information to the interested parties. The main activity, the main purpose of accounting is to provide useful information to interested parties. Who are the interested parties? Maybe stakeholders, suppliers, then customers, government. Students, our next topic is branches of accounting. Mainly there are 3 branches of accounting: financial accounting, cost accounting and management accounting. Okay. So, first of all, what is meant by financial accounting? See, financial accounting is the old branch of accounting. It is the old branch of accounting. Then basics of accounting. Financial accounting is the basics of accounting. all other accounting, all other branches of accounting, they takes information from financial accounting. So it is the basics of accounting. Then third one, recording transaction. The main purpose of financial accounting is recording business transactions. Then fourth one, ascertain the profit or loss. I already told you the main purpose of business accounting is to ascertain the trading results. It may be profit or loss. Then ascertain the financial position. So financial accounting mainly concentrates to ascertain the profit or loss and ascertain the financial position. Financial position can be clearly ascertained through the preparation of a balance sheet. Then fifth one, based on historical data. Financial accounting is completely based on historical data. Past records are used by financial accounting. Then finally, it provides information to external parties. Who are the external parties? Shareholders, investors, public, customers, suppliers, bank, etc. They are the external parties. So the main purpose of financial accounting is to supply necessary information to the external parties. So the basics of accounting, that is financial accounting. All other branches of accounting, they completely depends on this basics of accounting or financial accounting. Okay. Then second one, cost accounting. What is cost accounting? See, cost accounting is mainly used by the manufacturing concern. It is used by manufacturing concern. It is more useful to production companies. Okay. Then main purpose is ascertainment of a cost. What is the main purpose of cost accounting? Ascertainment of cost. Identification of cost. Cost, the total cost, how much the total cost incurred for producing a product. That is the main purpose of cost accounting. Then cost accounting helps in cost control also. So the main activity is ascertainment of cost and cost control. Cost accounting mainly concentrates to 2 points. First one, ascertainment of cost. Second one, helps in cost control. Finally, cost accounting helps in fixing the prices of product. By ascertaining the total cost, we can clearly fix the prices of commodities. The prices of commodities, how much to be charged as its price. That information is also given by your cost accounting. Okay. Then third one, management accounting. See, management accounting is completely used by the internal team of the organization. Then management accounting providing information to managers for decision making. So cost accounting is mainly used by the manufacturing concern. Financial accounting gives more importance to external parties, but the management accounting, they supply information to the internal users, mainly to managers for decision making. So the main purpose of management accounting is also known as managerial accounting. The main purpose of this accounting is to supply information to managers for what? For decision making. Okay. Then it is used by the internal parties of the organization. Management accounting is mostly used by the internal parties of the organization. Okay. Then it is for better control and performance evaluation. By following certain methods of management accounting, it is very easy to control and performance evaluation. The organization's overall performance can be evaluated through management accounting because it gives so much information for the managers, for controlling, for better control, for the performance, for improving the performance of the organization. So there are 3 branches of accounting: financial accounting, cost accounting and management accounting. Here financial accounting is the oldest branch and the main branch, and the cost accounting and management accounting takes information from financial accounting. Okay. For taking better decision, for fixing the prices, for ascertaining the cost, we take information from financial accounting. So it is called the basics of accounting, the oldest branch of accounting. Cost accounting is used by manufacturing concern for ascertainment and control of cost. Management accounting is used by managers, managerial persons, internal parties to take better decisions. Okay.